everyone, welcome back. In my January testing hot new makeup video, I briefly demonstrated how I do what I called a reverse wing. And in that testing hot new makeup video, I did ask for people to leave me comments telling me if they would like to see a more in-depth tutorial on how I do my reverse wing technique. A lot of people commented yes. So today I'll be showing you how to get this soft, smoky winged eyeliner using a reverse technique that's perfect for hooded eyes. As you can see here, I've already done one of my eyes and I've done the eyeshadow on the eye I'll be demonstrating on. And typically this is the point where I will do my eyeliner. Once my eyeshadow is on fully, but before I curl my lashes and apply mascara. And if you watch my makeup tutorials regularly, you will see that I personally really like to have a sort of sharp, lifted look to my eyeshadow and liner. That is because, number one, I do have hooded eyes, and I do have eyes that turn down on the outer corners. And it doesn't look that way when you look at me with makeup on. Am I right? Because I have done my eyes, my eyeshadow, and my liner in such a way that gives them a lifted, more cat eye look. So touching on the hooded eye aspect of this, it's very, very important. This technique can be done by anyone, but it is especially good for those of you that have hooded eyes. And not just hooded eyes, but that little annoying fold right on the outer corner that seems to make applying traditional winged liner extremely difficult. So what we're going to do today is not avoid that fold, but we're going to work with it. For this technique, you're going to need 3 items: a tiny, flat, or angled eyeliner brush. This one is from BK Beauty. The first one I showed is by Refer. Then you'll need a slightly larger, but still pretty thin smudger or pencil brush, and a matte eyeshadow. I do recommend, if you're just practicing this technique, to use like a gray or a brown, but I'm using a black here because it's the most noticeable. And I don't know, I was just in the mood for kind of a smoky, dramatic eye today. The first thing you're going to do is pick up some of that eyeshadow with your brush and place it on the outer corners of your lower lash line, underneath your lower lashes, and underneath the fold of your hooded eye. Now you can take this shadow liner as far across the lower lash line as you'd like, or you can just keep it on the outer corners. It's kind of difficult to tell on camera, but I am using a very, very light touch when applying this shadow liner. At this point, you should have something that looks like this. Now looking straight into the mirror with your eyes open, you're going to connect that wing to your upper lash line by gently patting the shadow straight across. I like to start with a very light amount of pigment and then slowly build it up. Once you've done that, then you're going to want to raise your brows and look down into your mirror and connect the upper portion of that extended wing with your upper lash line. As you can see, I'm applying this right at the very base of my lashes, from the outer wing to the inner corner by my tear ducts. Then you want to grab a slightly larger pencil brush or smudger brush and smoke out that line. I decided to take mine a little bit higher to give it a more smoky effect. And then I'm also smudging out along the lower lash line. And because I went for a more dramatic look today, I'm taking it all the way across both top and bottom. However, you can see it's not harsh. It's not just this harsh black line. It's just real soft and smoky. And now I'm just touching up that wing, and then you clean it up with a Q-tip and some makeup remover or maybe a makeup wipe, and that is it. And the reason why I'm calling it a reverse wing liner is because typically you will start a winged liner from the top lash line and then a lot of people will follow it along from their lower lash line. They'll make a dot, but then they'll still start from either that dot or the center of their eyelid. The main difference with this technique is that you're starting from the bottom, working your way up, and then connecting. And you're going over that fold with a patting motion. This is not a technique I recommend doing with any sort of liquid liner or gel liner. Of course, once you have this liner down and maybe you want it to be really, really sharp, maybe you want a really strong winged liner, you can go over this with a liquid eyeliner or a gel eyeliner because you've already sort of got the lines there. So it's more like tracing versus trying to freehand a winged eyeliner. So that is it. That is how I do my reverse winged liner on my hooded aging eyes that turn down on the outer corners in order to give me this really lifted effect, which I think, you know, everybody has their own style in makeup, but I'm really, really happy with how my eye makeup has been turning out lately because I've started using this technique, which of course you may have seen before. There's very little that's new here on YouTube, but I have really never seen anybody do it, and I was just playing around with makeup as I do and stumbled upon this technique, and I'm really loving it, and you guys wanted to see it, so hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please give it a thumbs up. If you missed my January testing hot new makeup video, I will have it linked in the description box, as well as my hooded eye masterclass video in case you missed that one. And if you are not already subscribed to my channel, I hope that you will consider hitting that subscribe button and joining the Risa Does Makeup family. I do upload new videos at least twice per week. You can also find more content from me over on TikTok and Instagram. My username is the same everywhere. It's Risa Does Makeup. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video.